can't wait to go to school. Sally!
Oh, yeah?
I said, Sally, I can't wait to go to school.
Me too. I'm super excited.
Okay, let's keep going.
Whew. It's all done. A breakfast vending machine. Oh, the kid's gonna love it.
Sally,
Yeah?
don't you feel a little hungry? My stomach hurts a lot because I didn't eat breakfast today.
Oh, Deema, I'm not hungry because I got Skittles.
Oh, silly you, Sally. You can't eat Skittles in the morning. Sally, we need to eat breakfast. Healthy food. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Sally, look! It's a breakfast vending machine. This is so cool. I've never seen one. Whoa! This is so cool.
It is. And look.
Yep, it got Cheerios, Crave, Nesquik, bananas, and milk. And it says school breakfast. This is so cool. And it's very good because we're about to go to school. Okay, what should I get? I'm really hungry.
I don't need it. I have my Skittles.
What should I get? There's so many good choices.
Oh, Deema, you can get Crave.
Crave's not my favorite, but I really like Nesquik. Okay, let's put the money in.
Okay.
Let's do it. It plays music too. That's so cool. All right.
Whoa! Look at it. It's so cool.
Okay, Sally, but I also want milk in my cereal, so let's press the milk. Whoa! I want some bananas too. Whoa, that was so cool. Okay, I can't wait to eat it. This looks so good. But Sally, are you sure you don't want some?
No, I got my Skittles.
All right, let's go enjoy. Let's enjoy my cereal.
And my Skittles. Let's open mine. We're gonna get.
The best. So good.
This is the best. Oh, Deema, my tummy hurts. Ow.
Your stomach hurts? Sally, I know the reason why. You were eating Skittles and you didn't eat healthy food right now.
I'm sorry, Deema.
It's okay. Let's go get some healthy food for you. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, Sally, we are here. What would you like?
I would like Crave.
Crave? Okay, put your money in.
And I want bananas. Whoa! Oh, yum!
That was a very great choice, Sally.
Thank you, Deema.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Okay.
Whoop! I didn't see you guys there. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this big fat thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye, guys. And guys, always eat breakfast before you go to school. And always eat healthy food. Bye, guys. Let's go, Sally.
Okay.